mountains of Jiangxi province in China, lies a destination unlike any other, Wangxian Valley. This extraordinary cliff town is a testament to human ingenuity and architectural prowess, captivating visitors with its breathtaking beauty and cultural charm. Imagine a place where ancient traditions blend seamlessly with modern marvels, where towering cliffs provide a dramatic backdrop to a vibrant tapestry of life and culture. Wangxian Valley is more than just a tourist destination. It is an experience. It's a journey back in time, a celebration of Chinese heritage, and a testament to the boundless creativity of the human spirit. Whether you're an avid hiker, a history enthusiast, or simply seeking an escape into nature's embrace, Wangxian Valley promises an unforgettable adventure. The valley's name, Wangxian, translates to King of Scenery, a fitting tribute to its awe-inspiring landscapes and natural wonders. Prepare to be mesmerized as you wander through this enchanting town, where every twist and turn reveals a new vista, and the air is alive with the sounds of nature and the echoes of history. The creation of Wangxian Valley was no small feat. It was a monumental task that required meticulous planning, unwavering dedication, and a clear vision of what the future could hold. This ambitious project, which cost a staggering 2.8 billion RMB, approximately 400 million USD, was a testament to the vision and determination of its developers. They were driven by a dream to transform this valley into a world-class destination, a place where nature and culture could coexist harmoniously. They envisioned a destination that would not only showcase the region's natural beauty, but also preserve its rich cultural heritage for generations to come. The valley's lush landscapes, rolling hills, and pristine rivers provided the perfect backdrop for this grand vision. Construction began in 2012, and over the next 6 years, a team of skilled engineers, architects, and artisans worked tirelessly to bring this dream to life. Each phase of the project was carefully planned and executed, with attention to detail that ensured the final result would be nothing short of spectacular. The result is a stunning example of sustainable development, where modern technology has been seamlessly integrated with traditional building techniques. The developers were committed to creating a space that was not only beautiful, but also environmentally responsible. The project involved the construction of over 100 buildings, including hotels, restaurants, shops, and cultural centers, all carefully designed to blend in with the surrounding environment. Each building was crafted to reflect the local architectural style, creating a cohesive and visually appealing landscape. The developers were committed to using locally sourced materials whenever possible, such as wood, stone, and bamboo, to minimize the environmental impact and support the local economy. Local artisans played a crucial role in this process, bringing their expertise and craftsmanship to every aspect of the construction. This commitment to sustainability is evident throughout the valley, from the energy-efficient buildings to the use of renewable energy sources. Solar panels, wind turbines, and other green technologies were incorporated to ensure that Wangxian Valley would be a model of eco-friendly development. Beyond the physical structures, Wangxian Valley was designed to be a vibrant community hub. The developers envisioned a place where people could come together to celebrate, learn, and grow. Community events, cultural festivals, and educational programs are regularly held, fostering a sense of belonging and connection among residents and visitors alike. The preservation of local wildlife and natural habitats was also a priority. Conservation efforts were implemented to protect the valley's diverse flora and fauna, ensuring that future generations could enjoy the same natural beauty that inspired the project's inception. Today, Wangxian Valley stands as a testament to what can be achieved when vision, dedication, and sustainability come together. It has become a popular destination for tourists from around the world, offering a unique blend of natural beauty, cultural richness, and modern amenities. Guided tours and nature walks allow visitors to fully immerse themselves in the valley's splendor, while educational programs provide insights into the region's history and ecological significance. As the sun sets and the valley is bathed in the soft glow of illuminated buildings and pathways, one can't help but marvel at the transformation that has taken place. Wangxian Valley is not just a destination, it is a dream realized, a vision brought to life, and a beacon of sustainable development for the world to see. The journey of Wangxian Valley is a story of passion, perseverance, and the power of a dream. It serves as an inspiration to all who visit, reminding us that with the right vision and commitment, anything is possible. One of the most striking aspects of Wangxian Valley is its unique architecture. Nestled in a picturesque landscape, this town is a living testament to the harmonious coexistence of the old and the new. As you gaze upon the panoramic view, you can see how the traditional and modern elements blend seamlessly, creating a visual symphony that is both captivating and inspiring. The town is a harmonious blend of traditional Chinese design and modern architectural elements. This juxtaposition is not just a visual treat, but also a reflection of the town's evolving identity. The traditional buildings, with their timeless elegance, stand proudly next to sleek, modern structures, symbolizing a bridge between the past and the future. Ancient building techniques, passed down through generations of skilled craftsmen, have been employed to create structures that are both aesthetically pleasing and structurally sound. These craftsmen, with their meticulous attention to detail, ensure that each building is a masterpiece in its own right. Their dedication to preserving traditional methods is evident in every carved beam and every intricately designed facade. The buildings are characterized by their distinctive sloping roofs, intricate wooden carvings, and vibrant red lanterns, all hallmarks of traditional Chinese architecture. These elements not only add to the visual appeal, but also serve functional purposes, such as providing shade and enhancing the structural integrity of the buildings. These traditional elements are juxtaposed with modern amenities and design features, creating a unique and captivating aesthetic. Modern conveniences, such as energy-efficient systems and contemporary interiors, are seamlessly integrated into the traditional framework, offering the best of both worlds. The use of glass and steel in some of the buildings provides a contemporary touch, while still respecting the overall traditional style. These materials, with their sleek and reflective surfaces, create a striking contrast against the rustic charm of the traditional structures, enhancing the town's architectural diversity. The result is an architectural style that is both familiar and refreshingly new, a testament to the creativity and ingenuity of the designers. This innovative approach not only preserves the cultural heritage of Wangxian Valley, but also paves the way for future architectural endeavors that respect and celebrate tradition while embracing modernity. As you wander through the town, take some time to appreciate the intricate details of the buildings, from the delicate carvings to the colorful murals. These artistic elements are not just decorative, but also serve as a medium to convey stories and traditions, offering a glimpse into the rich cultural tapestry of the region. Each element tells a story, reflecting the rich history and culture of the region. The carvings and murals depict scenes from local folklore, historical events, and everyday life, making the architecture of Wangxian Valley not just a feast for the eyes, but also a journey through time. As you explore, you'll find that every corner of this town has a story to tell, inviting you to delve deeper into its fascinating past and vibrant present. Building a town on the side of a cliff is no easy feat. The sheer complexity of the task requires not only advanced engineering skills, but also a deep understanding of the natural environment. Every step of the process must be meticulously planned and executed to ensure the safety and stability of the structures. The construction of Wangxian Valley presented numerous engineering and logistical challenges. From the initial planning stages to the final touches, every aspect of the project demanded innovative solutions and unwavering determination. The engineers and construction workers had to work in harmony, constantly adapting to the ever-changing conditions of the site. The terrain was rugged and unforgiving, with steep slopes and limited access. Navigating this challenging landscape required not only physical endurance, but also creative problem-solving skills. The team had to find ways to transport heavy machinery and materials to the site without causing damage to the environment or compromising the safety of the workers. The engineers had to devise innovative solutions to transport materials and equipment to the construction site. This included the use of cranes and other specialized machinery to lift and move heavy loads. In some cases, materials had to be transported manually, with workers carrying them up steep inclines and across rugged terrain. The team also developed new techniques for building in hard-to-reach places, ensuring that every structure was securely anchored to the rock face. One of the biggest challenges was laying the foundations for the buildings. The rocky terrain made traditional methods of digging foundations impossible. The team had to come up with a new approach that would provide a stable base for the structures, while also being feasible in such difficult conditions. Traditional methods of digging foundations were impossible due to the rocky terrain. The hard, unyielding rock made it impossible to use standard excavation techniques. The team had to think outside the box and come up with a solution that would allow them to create a stable foundation without compromising the integrity of the rock. Instead, the engineers used a technique called rock anchoring, where steel rods are drilled deep into the rock face to provide a secure base for the structures. This method not only ensured the stability of the buildings, but also minimized the impact on the surrounding environment. The steel rods acted as anchors, holding the structures firmly in place and preventing any movement or shifting. This innovative approach ensured the stability of the buildings while minimizing the impact on the surrounding environment. The team was committed to preserving the natural beauty of the area and took great care to ensure that their construction methods were environmentally conscious. The result was a series of stable, secure structures that blended seamlessly with the rugged landscape. Another challenge was ensuring the safety of the workers. The remote location and difficult terrain made it essential to implement stringent safety measures. The team had to be constantly vigilant, ensuring that every worker was properly equipped and trained to handle the unique challenges of the site. The construction site was located in a remote area, and the workers had to contend with harsh weather conditions, including extreme heat, cold, and rain. These conditions added an extra layer of difficulty to an already challenging project. The team had to be prepared for anything, with contingency plans in place to deal with unexpected weather events. Stringent safety measures were put in place to protect the workers and prevent accidents. This included regular safety inspections, the use of protective gear, and comprehensive training programs. The team was committed to creating a safe working environment, and their efforts paid off, with no major accidents occurring during the construction process. Despite the challenges, the construction team persevered, driven by their passion for the project and their commitment to creating something truly special. Their hard work and dedication resulted in a series of stunning structures that stand as a testament to their skill and determination. The successful completion of the Wangxian Valley project is a shining example of what can be achieved when a team comes together to overcome seeming